Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare instant crispy ragi dosa without using rice flour and curd. I've used leftover dosa batter to prepare this ragi dosa, which makes it suitable for toddlers as well as elderly. Ragi dosa is best for all those diabetic as well as for those who want to incorporate healthy millets into everyday diet. Also highly suitable for weight loss as it is fiber rich. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of ragi flour. Take around 1 to 2 cups of idli dosa batter. If you don't have dosa batter, you can substitute with half cup rice flour and quarter cup thick curd. I'm also adding 3 tablespoon rava for extra crispiness, and this is optional. Add required salt. First, mix well without any lumps. Then add required water and make a thick smooth batter. Cover and rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 1 large sized onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 green chilli finely chopped, few chopped curry leaves, handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, and 1 to 2 teaspoon of freshly ground cumin pepper powder. Mix well. Add more water, mix well, and make a thin flowing batter. Now heat a tawa over medium-high heat. Splash water over hot tawa, wipe out excess water. Then grease with oil. Mix the batter well and spread a thin layer of batter. If your tawa has the right temperature, you will get nice porous holes on dosa. Drizzle oil all around and do not cook covered. Roast well on one side. Then gently flip over to the other side. And take time to roast other side as well. The roasted onions will give a nice aroma to dosa. Crispy ragi dosa is now ready. If your ragi dosa is not roasted well enough, dosa might break when you flip over because ragi is gluten free. Therefore, take time to roast well, makes it crispy as well as tasty. Ragi dosa goes well with coconut chutney. You can also prepare ragi dosa by regular fermentation method. I will leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out. Thanks for watching my video so far. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.